Hi and welcome to Easy Internet. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Activate Windows watermark on Windows 11 permanently. To do this, click on the Start menu and search for regedit. Then, press Enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, navigate to HKey Local Machine, then to System, then to Current Control Sets, and then to Services. Scroll down and look for a folder named SVC and click on it. On the right side, find and double-click Start. Here, on the Value Data field, change the number to 4 as this disables the related service. And then click OK. Now, close the registry editor and restart your computer. When your PC restarts, the watermark should be gone. I want you to note that this is just a workaround and not an official activation. It is recommended to activate Windows with a valid license. Let me know if the steps helped you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.